Okay everyone, so let's start today's session. So today we are tackling a very nice question from the NGPE, that is the National Graduate Physics Examination. Now for those who don't know, the NGPE is basically the Hunger Games or for the undergraduate physics students in India, you can say that. So if you crack this, you are not just a student, you are the certified wizard of the physical realm. Okay, so come to the question first. The question number 12. So it says a point particle is moving in an orbit in a place with a constant angular speed omega is equal to 2 radian per second, and the radial distance of the particle from the origin at time t is expressed as what? R equal to r naught e to the power beta t, and where r naught and beta are the positive constants. Okay, and the numerical value of beta in radian per second for which the radial acceleration vanishes is, and there are four options: +1, -1, +2 and -2. Okay, so let's calculate it. Okay, now before we solve it, remember in the 2D polar coordinates, the acceleration is not just speeding up. It's a massive breakup between the radial direction and the angular direction. And the total acceleration vector, A, is what? And this is the radial acceleration. And transverse acceleration. Okay, now like imagine a fly on the snipping record player, but the fly is also caffeinated and running outward, and that's our particle. We are told that the radial acceleration vanishes, right? And that does not mean the particle is not moving. It means the forces pushing it out and pulling it in are perfectly balanced. And look at the radial distance, right? Now to find the radial acceleration, we need the second derivative. So let's do the calculus. So first derivative, right? And let's go to the second derivative, dt2, that is equal to beta square r naught e to the power beta t, that is beta square r, right? Now see, the math is repeating itself just like my excuse. So d2r dt2 is just b square times of the original distance r, right? So that means, yeah, now the problem says the radial acceleration vanishes, right? So this means what? This means, right? Now we all know that. So plug in what we found. Now factor out the r, because r not equals to 0 unless the particle is dead at the origin. So beta square equal to omega square. Okay, so since the problem tells us beta is a positive constant, we take the positive square root. So beta is what? Omega. Now we are given omega is 2 radian per second. So beta must be +2. right? And when beta is equal to omega, the outward acceleration due to the changing radius is exactly cancelled out by the inward centripetal, like the term r omega square. So this is a very specific type of the spiral called in the equiangular spiral. Okay, so if beta greater than omega, the particle flies away faster than the rotation can keep up, and if beta less than omega, the rotation wins and the particle gets stuck in it. And at beta equal to omega, it's perfect cosmic balance. Okay, now check the options. So option number C is our final answer, right? So we have solved this question. Okay, so this is a beautiful question. So see you in the next session, guys, with this kind of NGPE question, and that will be very beneficial for you. So till then, bye bye.